You've probably heard about the delicious trending beverage called infused water, and you may be wondering what it's all about. Infused water or detox water is blended with various fruits and herbs that can have enormous health benefits, as well as just keeping you hydrated. This garnished water can help alleviate a number of uncomfortable symptoms and has some amazing benefits. A great reason to start incorporating it into your daily routine. Let's get straight into the benefits. 1. You'll drink more water when it's infused. Let's face it, water is boring. And when something is boring, we don't bother with it. So it's no wonder that the majority of men and women aren't meeting the recommendations for daily water intake. A simple way to get people to drink more water is to add flavor. One study found that reluctant drinkers consumed 159% more water when flavor was added. Infusing fruit into water adds a whole lot of flavor. 2. It hydrates your body better. Your body needs water to stay hydrated. However, simply drinking more water won't necessarily hydrate your body better. To absorb water, your body needs minerals known as electrolytes. These electrolytes carry a charge that tells the water molecules where to go and maintains fluid balance in cells. Some of the major electrolytes are calcium, potassium, magnesium, and sodium. One of the benefits of fruit-infused water is that the fruit itself passes electrolytes into the water. This is specifically true of citrus fruit infusions, as they're particularly rich in electrolytes. Cucumber is also a good source of electrolytes, so it's no wonder that lemon cucumber is one of the most popular fruit-infused water recipes. 3. It supports your metabolism. While most of these claims are exaggerated, there's scientific evidence that shows that drinking water will support your metabolism and help weight loss. Drinking water speeds metabolism, and it has been found that even mild dehydration can slow down your metabolism by 3%. If you want to burn calories efficiently, you need to stay hydrated. 4. Infusing water is an easy way to get more nutrients. Certain vitamins and minerals are leached into water when fruit is infused in it. You won't get all the nutrients from the infused fruit and vegetables, as only water-soluble nutrients can get into the infused water. These include vitamin C, B12, B6, thiamine, riboflavin, biotin, folic acid, and electrolytes. Don't expect to meet your nutrient-recommended daily allowances just by drinking fruit-infused water. However, even a small amount of these nutrients can go a long way towards your overall health. 5. It's a good alternative to juice. Juice might be tasty, but it's full of sugar, which can cause blood glucose levels to spike. This increases the risk of diabetes and causes the body to store extra fat. There are some benefits of juice, especially when it's freshly made and contains vegetables. It just means that you shouldn't rely on juice for hydration. Fruit-infused water has the benefit of being a flavorful alternative to juice. Because the infusions often include ingredients rich in vitamin C, you can get many of the nutrients found in juice, but without the blood sugar spike that juice causes. 6. It helps you feel full faster. There has been a lot of research into the subject of water consumption and feeling fuller. One study found that drinking water before a meal reduced calorie consumption by 13%. You don't need to drink fruit-infused water to get this benefit. However, if the flavor of infused water is helping you consume more water, then you can count on feeling full faster. 7. It can prevent kidney stones. If you battle with kidney stones, then you'll want to start drinking lemon-infused water. The benefit of this fruit infusion is that the acids in lemon help prevent calcium from turning into crystals. Likewise, simply drinking more water will also help prevent kidney stones. Research shows that the electrolytes in fruit-infused water could also help reduce kidney stones. 8. Better complexion. Although a good moisturizer is a must for glowing complexions, so is hydrating your skin from the inside. Staying well hydrated means drinking plenty of water as well as eating lots of water-dense fruits and veggies like watermelon, strawberries, grapefruit, cucumbers, and celery. Combine these two together and you're onto a winner. Adding a little flair and flavor to your water with a fruit infusion should make you much more likely to take a sip, and your skin will thank you for it. 9. Boost energy levels. Energy drinks seem like a good idea at the time, but health-wise, they're almost the exact opposite of homemade infused water that's chock full of vitamin C and antioxidants. The nutrients found in fruit-infused water will give you an energy boost that you won't get from plain old water. No, you might not be bouncing off the walls like you would with an energy drink, but at least your sugar consumption will be minimal, and you'll know exactly what you're drinking. 10. Promotes detoxification. With infused water, vitamins and minerals are pulled from the fruits, vegetables, and herbs into the water, so you're benefiting both in flavor and nutrition. Infused water has no calories, but it's rich with vitamins and minerals, making it a perfect addition to your daily wellness program and weight loss goals. Many people consider fruit-infused water as a detoxifying beverage, as it has been known to help suppress appetite, remove waste from the body, and help burn fat. 11. It improves bone health. There are many fruits that are rich in vitamin K, including kiwi, blackberries, cucumber, and pomegranate. Vitamin K helps transport calcium to bones, which keeps them functioning at their peak. Take cucumbers, for example. Just one unpeeled cucumber contains about 22% of your daily recommended vitamin K intake. So putting them in your glass of cucumber water will help you to reach that intake faster. You'll find silica and manganese minerals in certain fruits, both of which can also help strengthen your bones and possibly even lower your risk of developing osteoporosis. 12. It takes seconds to prepare. Making juices and smoothies is a relatively good idea, providing you have the time, which not all of us do. The likes of blenders and juicers take a long time to clean and need regular maintenance. You also need to be able to keep enough fresh produce around. With infused waters, you can just look at what's in your fridge and improvise. A simple lemon-infused water takes seconds to make and can add a much-needed boost of flavor to your day. 13. There are so many combinations. On the subject of improvising, there are so many combinations you can try in your fruit-infused water. For instance, cucumber, strawberry, and basil make for a great beverage. So does a green combination of cucumber and kiwi, a tingling mix of strawberry, lime, and mint, a slightly sour mix of strawberry, lemon, and basil, and an unusual concoction involving orange and blueberry. You can even use herbs like ginger and exotic fruits like mango and nectarine. The choice is yours. Just pick your favorite fruits and get experimenting. So, when's the best time to drink fruit-infused water? Starting each day with a glass of fruit-infused water will help you to get the most out of all the health benefits. Since drinking water helps with weight loss and metabolic function, a glass in the morning and before each meal will provide the best results. Research has shown even drinking a half a liter prior to each meal can influence weight loss. Infusing water is fun and makes it taste a whole lot more exciting. You can add your fruit straight to your water, but you can also buy ready-made fruit-infused bottle you can carry around with you. Search on Google and you'll find loads of options that don't cost an arm and a leg. Do you have a favorite fruit water infusion? We'd love to know. Share it in the comments below. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 6 incredible detox water benefits for weight loss, clear skin, and cleaning the body. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.